Hey guys, welcome back. So it's another redesign video. So I have filed off my old design, and if you want to see how I made these acrylic nails, please check the video in the cards in the top right corner. So I'm just gonna go in with this really pretty baby pink called Pirouette by Madame GLAM, and I'm going to apply one thin layer of this on two of my nails, and then I'm going to cure. And now I'm going in with Pinky Fire by Madame GLAM, and I'm just going to do the same thing, another thin layer, and then cure.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this
So I'm just going in with my second coat to build up the coverage.
up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
Now I'm going to do my second coat of Pirouette. After that's cured, I'm going to top coat all of the nails, and I'm just using a basic no wipe top coat gel. I'm not really sure where I got this from. I think it came with one of the lamps I received. I don't really recommend this gel. I'm only using it because these nails are just demonstration nails. I'm not really going to be keeping them, and I just wanted to get rid of the tacky layer from the gel polish. So I do recommend Madame GLAM's No Wipe Top Coat Gel, and I also like IBD Intense Seal Top Coats. I like that one because it's really good for chromes, and yeah, those are my recommendations. After curing, I'm going to bling out my nails. So this is for fun. I know this is gonna make so many people mad that I'm doing like big and crazy bling, but you have to have fun sometimes in life, you guys. Like, why not? Let's just go for it. You know, don't worry. I took this off like right after I did these. I took my nails off, so no one has to panic or worry about anything. And because these are just for demonstration, I'm applying my stones with top coat gel and builder gel. Usually I would use Zule's bling adhesive if I want them to last a long time, and for bigger charms I'll use acrylic to adhere those bigger charms and stones, but just for the purpose of the video I'm just using gel. So yeah, I'm just using some mixed sizes of crystal clear. These are actually swarovskis. I've been using high quality crystals, but these are actually Swarovski, and they're so pretty, so sparkly. And on this nail I'm gonna do kind of like a side bling, and I really like how it came out. The big opal that I'm about to put on is from GearBest. I freaking love this thing. I've used these so many times, you guys. You can actually like take them off once you're done with your set. You can take them off and reuse them. This might be the third time I'm using this stone, and it's just so pretty. So I'm just putting this to the side and curing it before it moves too much. And then I'll go in with some more crystal clear and finish my little like side crystal thing that I'm trying to do here. So for my big heart stone, I'm using builder gel just so I can easily pop this off later. But like I said, you would put down a bunch of acrylic and press your stone in, and then reinforce the sides and edges and everything with more acrylic and then gel on top of that, and that would keep it on. I probably would have worn it, to be completely honest with you, because I'm not scared of stuff like this, and I know how to like handle my nails. So yeah, when I bought those I thought they were going to be way smaller, and they ended up being huge. I think they're for clothes or something like that. I saw them on eBay and they were so pretty, but I figured why not go ahead and have some fun on this redesign video. So I'm just going in with some little SS3 crystals, trying to fill in any awkward gaps and finish my shape that I'm trying to make here.
Cause we never say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak, got me on delay, cause I crossed a million seas. Would you do that for me?
So on the rest of the nails, I'm gonna do really simple stones just because there's already a lot going on here.
3 times and I run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me?
You can tell I'm the type of person who just likes to struggle. Like, I don't know why I didn't just sharpen this wax pencil to make my life easier. I'm sorry you guys had to watch me struggle with that. But this is the finished result. I really love these two colors. I think these are like my favorite pinks that I own right now. I don't know, like I feel like I always say that. I feel like every time I get a new pink, I'm like, this is my favorite pink ever, but no. These are my new favorite pinks now. So I love these nails. I wish I could have kept them on, but I had to take these off, sadly. I think the long nails might be coming back soon though. Right now I have these really short nails in the exact same color. I actually put Pirouette on top. I actually put Pinky Fire on top of Pirouette on these little short nails I have. I feel so basic, you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling now. I hope you guys enjoyed the redesign video. Give me your feedback. Like, do you like videos like this, or do you like seeing the full start to finish, or do you want more content? Because if I can just do redesign videos like this more often, I can put out more content for you guys. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope I can see you guys in my next video. Leave me a comment and a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Bye guys.